remember our past lesson? Yes?
Our past lesson was all about constructing rectangular prism.
Or the area of a rectangular
Prism.
Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the area of a rectangular
Prism.
Okay. At this time, I need a volunteer to measure. Okay. What are the parts of a rectangular prism? What are the parts of a rectangular prism? Give me one. Okay. Rectangular prism has rectangular prism has a length. Who can point the length here? Who can point the length? Yes, it's John. Where's the length? You point the length. Then, stand there. Okay, this is called the length. Okay, very good. Another part of the rectangular prism we have. Yes, Jumar. Part of the rectangular prism. Mayroong length. Another. Okay, height. Okay, where's the height? Who can point the height? Yes, Maricar. This point the height. Okay, this one is called the height. Okay, very good. Another. We have the length, we have the height, and width. Where's the width? Okay, this is called the width. Okay. Now you're going to measure the length of this rectangular prism using centimeter. Okay, who can measure the length of that rectangular prism using centimeter? Who can measure? Another hand. Yes, Ariel. You measure the length of that rectangular prism. The length. Measure the length. Length. So where's the length? The length ito? Ano tawag dito? So what is the length? 33 centimeters. Okay. We have the length. The length is 33 centimeters. Okay. How about the width? Width? Yes. Measure the width using centimeter of width. Okay, what is the width? 10. Very good. So the width is 10 centimeters. Okay. In finding the area of a rectangular prism, what is the formula? How will you find the area of a rectangular prism? Yes? Area is equal to B times? Okay, another answer? Yes? Yes?
Area equals length times width.
Okay, very good. Area, the formula. Okay. The formula in finding the area of the rectangular prism is area is equal to length times width. Okay. So, area, what is our length?
33
Okay, very good. We have 33
centimeters.
times, what is our width? Yes, correct. 10 centimeters. Okay. Multiply. Area is equal to 33 times 33 centimeters times 10 centimeters. How much?
Area 330 square centimeters.
Very good. 330
centimeters.
The unit, we have to use the square because this is area. So area is equal to 330 the rectangular distance. Answer, anybody? Yes? 16 meters. Another answer? Yes? 16 square meters. Okay. So, area is equal to length times width. Okay, so, what is the length? 8 meters. Times the width? 4 meters. So, area is equal to 16 square meters. Okay, very good. So, at this time, we will sing a song entitled, This is the Time. Okay, may I request everybody to please stand? Okay, let us sing. This is the time. Ready? Sing.
This is the time that we're waiting for. Fill up our minds, and we got one more, So this is the time when we call for you. We learn the trust and the fighting for. This is the time when we
Okay, everybody sit down. So this is the time that we are going to solve the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, volume of a rectangular. Okay, everybody read.
Volume of rectangular prism.
Okay, we will learn a volume of rectangular prism through film viewing. Okay, we will have a film viewing. But before that, what are you going to do in watching television or movies? What are you going to do in watching movies or television? You have to learn, yes? Very good. You have to look and listen attentively. Okay, when there is a film viewing, what you're going to do? Okay, look and listen attentively. Okay, so that you will learn. Okay, kasi pag hindi kayo makinig, hindi kayo magtingin, wala kayong malalaman. Okay, are you ready? Okay, but before that, I have here a guide question. Okay, everybody read the guide question.
What kind of children are they? How did they help the scholars?
Scholars.
Scholars. In what way? What did they use in collecting newspapers? Which of the two parts they borrow? Why? How did they find the part which has a greater capacity or volume? How did they find the volume?
Okay, question number one. What kind of children are they? It refers to value. Okay, what are the values that you know? Example of value. Can you give me example of value? Yes. Be kind, very good. Good example. Values, be kind. What else? Another. Tom Cruise lang. Palapagyan natin si Tom Cruise. Yes. Be polite. What else? Yes.
Be honest.
Be honest. What else? Be kind. Another. Perseverance. Be helpful. Okay, those are examples of values. Okay, so are you ready to watch the we call this movie? Are you ready or not?
Ready.
Okay.
Ano yung memory? Ay, memory ano. Hindi, ipantak na to diha.
Okay.
Pagka-zoom.
Please look and
Ay, zoom.
listen
Zoom.
attentively.
Wala zoom.
Ay, hindi naman doon. Ay, hindi naman doon. Hindi mo earn ka na nakita natin. Ma'am Ernie, magandang araw po.
Patricia, Joey, napasal kayo? Kailangan ito.
Sana namin haramin yung mga haripan niya eh.
Yung karitong ko?
Opo.
Ako. Yung karitong ko. Naku, pasensya na kayo. Hindi ko ata mapapayaran kayo ng kariton dahil gagamitin ko ngayong araw na ito eh.
Kahit isang araw lang naman po eh. Okay na po. Dali lang po.
Kasi marami akong kolekta yung mga bote, mga jacket at mga baka. Ano ka po, pupurbisyo na ako dun kay Mang Fidel.
Gusto niyo po, isang oras na lang. Isang oras lang po.
Kung pwede lang sana, pinapayaran po kayo. Talagang hindi pwede. Ha? Ganun po ba? Oo, balik na namin sa ibang araw ha.
Naku, Joey, paano na yan? Di na ata tayo makakahiram ng kariton eh. Kawawa naman yung mga scholars sa school natin.
Oo nga, kawawa naman yung mga scholars sa school natin. Hindi na sila makakapag-aral.
Scholars ka mo.
Opo.
Hindi nyo na itatanong na dati akong scholars nag-aaral pa. Ano ba itong tungkol sa mga scholars?
Kasi po, meron po newspaper drive sa school namin.
Right?
Opo. Kaya kailangan po namin makolekta ng mga dyaryo. At ibibenta po namin ito sa inyo. At yun naman po, perang makukuha namin ay ipagdadagdag namin sa fund ng mga scholar sa school.
Ganun ba? Bakit kailangan nyo ng karito?
Siyempre po, doon po namin ilalagay yung mga nakolekta namin dyaryo.
Ganun ba? Hindi nyo agad sinabi na para sa mga scholars pala to. Sige, pagkakaroon mo kayo ng isang karito lamang, ha?
Sige, tayo.
Ano kaya hihiramin natin?
Kailangan, hilamin natin yung maraming na ilalagay. Hindi mo ba napapansin? Bulaklak na nagpawagin. Nagkakaroon ay nagkakaroon. Hindi mo ba nagtatanong? Kung may anak pusulan, at mo yan na nalaman. Halina, sumama na kayo. Siyempre, pagkento ay magkano. Di anak sa buhay natin. Halina, sumama tayo. Tulong na ang masay, dapat katutunan. May mga tulong ating pagbibilang sa lahat. Kita ay nag-ibigay, at sa'yo'y magtataka. Doon sa tao lumaan. Halina, sumama na kayo. Maglagay, magpinto ay magkaroon. Di anak sa buhay natin. hindi kami gamit.
Kahit ano karito naman siguro, pwede na natin hiramin.
Hindi. Kailangan, hiramin natin yung karibon na mas maraming maikakadamsyaryo.
Eh, paano naman natin nalalaman yun?
Alam ko na. Kunin natin ang area ng mga karton.
Madali lang yun. Diba ang area is equal to length times width. Pero teka, diba para sa flat surfaces lang yun? Eh, tingnan mo. Meron nga itong length. At width. Pero, meron din siyang height. Hindi siya flat.
Oo nga no. Paano kaya natin isasama sa computation ng height?
Oh, Patricia, Joey, ba't narito ba kayo?
Kasi po gusto po namin hiramin yung karton na mas maraming mailalaman na dyaryo.
Gusto niyong kunin ang capacity ng kariton.
Opo. Pero, paano mo ba kunin yun?
Kapag gusto niyong kunin ang capacity ng kahit anong container, ang kinukuha niyo ay ang volume.
Volume? Parang nakuha na namin sa school yan ah. Eh, ano nga mo ba yun?
Volume, tulad ng supot na ito. Ang capacity o ang dami ng ilalagay natin sa supot na ito, yun ang volume. Katulad ng kapot nito at ng bote nito. Ang volume ay ang dami ng mailalagay natin dito sa loob ng hog ito at sa loob ng bote ito.
Ganito pala ang volume.
Pero ako naman ang hinihintulong sa inyo. Kasi may niluluto ako sa loob, kailangan kong bantayan. Walang magbabantay dito sa jack shop ko. Pwede bang kayo muna magbantay?
Sige po.
Pwede po.
Sige maraming salamat.
Pero Joey, paano kaya ang kunin ng volume?
Teka, isa na natin kay Ma'am Bernie.
Ernie! Ernie!
Patricia, Joey,
Itatanong lang po sana kami.
ano naman itatanungin niyo?
Paano mo ba kunin ang volume?
Ang kunin ng volume. Sige. Itong gawin natin. Volume malaman ang volume.
Opo.
Ngayon, subukan natin sukatin ang beef cubes ng asya sa loob ng kaunyan. Kung centimeter ang ating gagamitin panukat, siguro gamitin natin panukat yung yan. Itong maliit na inliliit na ito. Kung maliit, kulang na 1 centimeter ang sukat ng maliit na inliliit. Dahil pareho ang sukat ng ibabaw at ilalim ng taong ito, yun ang dahil sa ibabaw ng sukat. Sige, sukatin natin ang length. Sige.
1,
2,
3, 4. 4 centimeters po ang length.
sige, sukatin naman natin ang width.
1, 2, 3. 3 centimeters naman po ang width.
Kung 4 centimeter ang length at 3 centimeter ang width, ano ang area ng base ng tao na yan?
4 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 12 square centimeters.
Tama yun. Pero hindi lang length at width. Meron ang tao yan. Meron din siyang height. Sige, sukatin natin yung height.
1, 2.
2. Sige. Ngayon, pag minultiply mo ang sukat ng height doon sa nakuha nating area ng base ng tao na yan, ano magiging sagot?
12 times 2 equals 24. 24 po. Good.
Correct. Ang ibig sabihin, 24 ang volume o capacity ng kahon na yan.
Madali lang po palang kunin ang volume eh. I-multiply mo lang ang area ng base sa height.
Ibig mo bang sabihin, Mang Ernie, 24 cubes? Oo naman ang kamuna yan. Bilangin mo. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 big cubes nga po.
Oo, dahil ang sukat ng size ng mga cubes na yan ay 1 centimeter.
At ibig kong sabihin, 24 square centimeters ang sukat.
Humigit kumulang 24 cubic centimeters. Kapag volume ang hinahanap natin, cubic ang ginagamit natin.
Kaya po ba cubic kasi kinukuha natin kung ilang cubes ang kasya sa isang container.
Tama ka dyan, Patricia. Pagka muna, maalala ko nga pala, hindi pala ako naman. Sandali ha. Sandali, Joey ha. Gamitin mo pala yung itong palukan na to at kunin mo yung volume ng kalitong yan ha. O sige. Saka, hindi lang gamitin yung rule ha. O sige, ayaw ko na.
Centimeter? Bakit centimeter?
Itanong ulit natin si Mang Ernie. Mang Ernie,
Mang Ernie,
Ano naman?
gusto ko po kasi malaman bakit po decimeter imbis ng centimeter.
Ganito kasi yun. Ang decimeter at centimeter ay parehong unit sa pagbukas. Kaya nga lang, mas gusto kong gamitin yung decimeter dahil mas mahaba at malalaki ang sinusukat ko dito sa aking jump shot.
ano naman po kaibahan ng decimeter sa centimeter?
Ang kaibahan ng decimeter at centimeter ay merong 10 centimeters ang isang decimeter.
May 10 centimeter sa bawat decimeter.
Tama yun.
Intindihan ko na po.
Salamat, naiintindihan ko rin. At naiintindihan nyo rin na kailangan ko sa kusina at pagluluto na ako din. Sige, dyan mo na ha.
Ganun, sukatin natin. Sukatin naman natin ang kalito nito. Ang length ay 13 decimeters. Ang width naman ay 7 decimeters. Kaya 13 decimeters times 7 decimeters equals 91 square decimeters ang area ng base. Height naman. Height naman ay 6 decimeters. Kaya 91 square decimeters times 6 decimeters equals 546 cubic decimeters. Ang volume ng kariton na ito. Sukatin mo naman yung isa pa doon.
10 decimeters ang length. 10 decimeters din ang width. 10 times 10 equals 100. 100 square decimeters ang area ng base. Ang height naman, 6 decimeters din. Kaya, 100 square decimeters times 6 decimeters equals 600 cubic decimeters.
Ibig sabihin, mas malaki ang volume nitong ganito na to. Kaya ito na lang ang dali natin dahil mas maraming layo ang may lakad na natin dyan. Kaya dito, di ba? Ito natin.
Joey, Patricia, paling mo ba kayo?
Oo.
Pwede bang, kasi yung niluluto ko, hindi pa tapos eh. Baka may kumating na customer dito, walang tao. Kailangan ko pa yung niluluto ko. Pwede bang isa sa inyo maiwan dito?
Kaya nyo ako na lang po maiiwan at si Joey na lang po ang mga kolekta ng mga layo.
Maraming salamat, Joey. Patricia, babalik ako sa niluluto ko. Sandali lang, ha? Meron ka bang malaking lata dyan?
Ako, actually lang po niya kung alin sa dalawang lata ang may mas malaking volume o capacity. Gusto niyo po ba sukatin ko?
Ako, pero bisa mo ihat bibili pa ako ng loob sa practice.
Yes. Size na to ay 2 and 5 tenths. Naman kung size na to ay 2 and 5 tenths decimeter din. May naman po ay multiply natin. Kaya 2 and 5 tenths times 2 and 5 tenths equals 5 times 5 equals 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. Plus 2 equals 12. 2 times 5 equals 10. Carry 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. Kaya, 6 and 2500 square decimeters. Ang height naman ay 4 decimeters. 6 and 2500 square decimeters times 4 decimeters equals 4 times 5 equals 20. Carry 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Plus 2 equals 10. Carry 1. 4 times 6 equals 24. Plus 1 equals 25. Kaya 25 cubic decimeters ang volume nito. Ito ang unang lata ko. Yung po ang volume niya. O ito naman ang pangalawang lata. Ito pong side na to ay 3 decimeters. Ito naman pong side na to ay 3 decimeters din. Kaya 3 decimeters times 3 decimeters is equal to 9 square decimeters. 9 square decimeters times 2 decimeters is equal to 18 cubic decimeters. Ang volume nito. Ibig kong sabihin, mas malaki itong unang lata. Opo, mas malaki ang volume nito o capacity kesa dito. Kaya ibig sabihin din, mas marami kayong malalagay na bigas dito.
Naman. Tayo, napakaluwa. Marami pa lang makikalagay dito. Baka naman mas maraming pera pa tayo.
Dahil nilalagay ko itong imported na Mongol na padala sa tao. Ay, naman, doon mo naman gagamitin na Marisol. Importante magkakaroon ng ito, ano mo? Lalo dyan sa magandang hindi. Mas nagaling pa sa napakalawak ng masyeta. Hindi ko alam ito. Kailangan ko lang ito. Tingnan mo natin kung makakasukat naman ito. Kasi sigurado ka magpareho ang sukat ng dalawang taon ito. Gusto niyo po, sukatin natin. O sige, tingnan mo kung saan ito. Ito po dito. Four decimeters times 3 decimeters is equal to 12 square decimeters. 12 square decimeters times 1 decimeter is equal to 12 cubic decimeters. Volume ng ako na to ay 12 cubic decimeters. Kaya naman, 3 decimeters times 2 decimeters is equal to 6 square
cubic centimeters.
12 cubic centimeters.
Hindi ba sabihin ang volume katulad ng capacity na pareho naman sukat ng kahon na to.
Ito naman pala, magkapareho naman pala yung sukat ng kahon na yan, nag-aaway pa sa dapat sa paggawa yun.
Ako rin ha, sorry kung mali. Pagod naman gusto nyo, pasensya ka na ha.
Ano nyo sa, Ila, meron ko nga yung, na to, magkanta,
10 pesos lang po.
10 pesos. Sige, hospital mo na. Ay, ano na ako?
Magbabayad na tayo. Yan ha, okay na dyan ha. Basta may sabay na tayo umalis. Hello, may mali. Okay na, sige natin. Salamat ha. Babalik na kayo ha. Salamat po.
100, 150, 200, 250. Oh, laki na ng pagkimitaan nyo, ha?
Hindi naman ang may i-contribute natin sa Scholars Fund.
Oo nga po thank you po talaga sa inyo ha. At sinayang niyo po kami ng karidon. Dahil kung hindi niyo po kami nakakahiram, siguro hindi aabot ang ganito karami ni Johnny na kolekta ni Joey.
Ay, naku, dapat ako pa nga magpasalamat sa inyo dahil binantayan niyo itong junk shop ko.
Wala po yun. Nakunin na po kami dahil mag-aalas 12 Nagugutom na rin po ako.
Ako rin po. Ako hindi kayo umuwi. Dahil dito tayo mananangalian. Nakain tayo ng lagang baka.
Lagang baka? Naku, hindi na lang po. Hindi na po ako tatanggi.
O sige na, kunin nyo na itong pinita nyo at pupunta na tayo sa kusina. Sige, tara na.
Did you enjoy watching?
Yes.
Okay, so let us answer the guide question. Okay, everybody, read the question number 1.
What kind of children are they?
What kind of children are they? Or what are the values that they have? Yes. Polite. Okay, why did you say that they are polite? Okay, nagiging magalang daw sila. Okay, another very good. Nice idea. Okay, another answer. What are the values that we have? Or, okay, what kind of children are they? Yes. Perseverance. What do you mean by perseverance? Huh? Pagsisikap or you say, what do you mean by perseverance? Persevere. Okay, that is your assignment. You're going to look at the dictionary. What do you mean by perseverance? Okay. Yes, what are the values that we have? Yes. Kindness. What do you mean by kind? Kind or kindness? Mabait? Assignment mo rin yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng kind. Okay. Yes. Industrious. Very good. What do you mean industrious? Masipag. Palakpakan si Isjan. Okay, what do you mean industrious? Masipag. Bakit nasabi mo na sila ay industrious o masipag? Yes, Isjan. Very good, nice idea. Being helped, being scholar. Tinulungan nila yung scholar sa pangumulikta ng mga dyaryo or newspaper. So sila ay isang industrious na mga bata. Okay, very good. Okay, next, question number 2.
How did they help the scholar?
Okay, how did he help this scholar? By, nasabi na ng April kanina, how did he help this scholar? By collecting newspaper. Okay, so, question number 3. Everybody?
What did they use in collecting newspapers?
Okay, what did he use in collecting newspaper? What did he use in collecting newspaper? Dito! Somebody wants to answer. What did he use in collecting newspaper? the card in collecting newspaper. Okay, question number 4.
Which of the two cards they borrow?
Okay, which of the two cards they borrow? Why? So mayroong two cards yun. Color?
Red, yellow.
Okay, so which of the two cards they borrow? Yes. Why? Why did they use the yellow card? Why? Because it has a greater, kung saan naman sulod? Greater, very good. It has a greater capacity. So, the yellow card has a greater capacity compared to the green card. What is the capacity of that yellow card? You can remember, what is the capacity of that yellow card? Yes. 600. That's right? How about the green card? What's the capacity or the volume? 500. Okay. Question number 5, everybody.
How did they find the cards?
How did you find the card, everybody?
How did they find the cards that has a greater capacity or volume?
How did you find the volume? How did you find the volume? By? Yes. Multiplying what? Multiply the? Okay, so ito na yun. So, volume equals, yes, multiply less times with times. Okay, pag less times with, that is the area. Pag mayroon ng height, that is the volume. Less times with times height, that is the volume or the capacity of that rectangular region. Okay, did you understand? Any question? Any question? Ba't may tanong kayo? Meron wala? Okay. So before that activity, I have here a rubric kung paano po kayo bigyan ng grade sa inyong group activity. Okay, you will be graded according to your performance of the group. Okay. So, what are the criteria? Okay, we have everybody read. Cooperation. Okay, so bigyan ko kayo ng 3 points or very satisfactory if your group members, everybody.
Members constitution and activity work towards group solution goals without being told.
Without being told. Very good. That is mean by without being told. Actively. What do you mean actively? Hindi mo pala yan agresivo. Agresivo next. Satisfactory, everybody.
Satisfactory.
Satisfactory.
Members work towards goals without being told.
Okay. Ang nawala dito ay yung word na
Activity.
trabaho lang siya, pero hindi siya nakakita na interesado siya, aggressive siya. So that is 2. Next.
Next improvement.
Yung next improvement. Kailangan pa i-develop. Okay.
Members work towards group goals only when told.
Okay, ang ibig sabihin na members work towards group goals only when told. Bulino lang pa sabihan. Okay, so that is for cooperation. Pag ito ipakita ng grupo ninyo, I will give you 3. Pag ito, 2. Pag ito, 1. Okay. Next, participation. Okay. Another criteria is we have participation. Everybody.
Members work goals within the group.
Okay, members willing to accept and perform Huwag kayong mahiya kung tanong kay teacher. Pero yung bigay ko sa inyo ng quiz. Okay, next. Next improvement. Good. Okay. Are you ready for the group activity? Okay, where's the group 1? Okay, group 1. Hawakan nyo na ha. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. And group 5. Okay. You form a circle with your group and you do it silently if possible. Okay, ready? Ready na? Okay, you proceed to your group now. Kailangan ng shake. Sino kailangan? Ngayon. Kailangan. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do that. 5 minutes only.
Name 5 objects which are in shape of rectangular prism and prism.
What do you mean by look around the classroom? Oh, tapos, get, mana? Mana get 5 objects? What do you mean by get 5 objects? Ano man get? Ang mga po sila, look, object which is rectangular, prism and shape. So, kinapapili ko ako. Okay, puro mo. Mag-shopping mo. Okay, kayo. Ano siya picture?
Rectangular prism inside our classroom and classroom.
Okay. Ano yung sabihin niya? Hanap kayo ng rectangular prism. Then you are going to picture. Hanap kayo ng rectangular prism. Then picture the design for you. Okay, kan kayo. Okay, nakuha kayo ng rectangular prism. Yung tingnan nila. Kasi kung mas rectangular prism. Okay.
Ma'am yun, apil ako. Ma'am yun, apil ako ba? Selfie lang.
Very good. Gawin niyo na, rectangular placement. How will you call that one? Rectangular placement. Sige, ipatupasin niyo ba para mahimok siyang rectangular placement. Ano yung Okay, 2 minutes more. Na? Go back to your seat. Pag ito ba ay nag-update. Tama na na po. Hi, everybody. You have to be sure their name is great and high. Okay, tapos na kayo? Na. Okay, go back to your seat. Go back in. Okay, 1 minute more. Dala.
Commanding.
Seven pa rin. Seven. The height. Oh. Multiply. Volume. Okay, reporters, be ready. Okay, lahat na ba natapos ng grupo? Lahat? Okay, now we have a report. We'll start from group 1. Kita lang pagkalap ng group 1. Okay, let's listen to group 1.
Sir, this is the work of group 1. State the definition of rectangular prism using your own words. Rectangular prism has a length, has a width, has a height, and has 6 faces.
Okay, that's 6 faces. Okay, tama mali?
Tama.
Tama mali?
Tama.
Okay, let's give them a nice clap. Okay, N-I-C-E, N-I-C-E, nice, 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 nice. Okay, everybody, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so, nagtagay ko lang ito definition ng rectangular prism. Okay, rectangular prism has an area. Okay, mayroon siyang area. Rectangular prism has a volume. Okay. Magkapareho ba yung area at saka volume? Magkapareho hindi? Hindi. Okay, so iba yung area, iba yung volume. Okay, very good. Group 1, so let us break them. Sana yung effective. Okay? So, mayroon na tayong rubric dito. So, members, consistently and actively work towards group goals without being told. Tama. Nagawa niyo ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Nakita ko din. So, we have group 1, 3. Okay. These members will accept and perform roles within the group. Okay, 3. Group outcome. Tama ba yung ginawa nila? Tama mali?
Tama.
Tama. 3. Okay. So, total 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 9. Okay, 9 divide by 3. How much? 3. So, meaning, they are very satisfactory. Okay. Group 2. Saan yung group 2? Group 2.
group. Give 5 objects which are in shape of rectangular prism and present it to the class. This is a these are the 5 objects which are in shape of rectangular prism. This is a eraser. Pencil case. This is an eraser. Pencil case. Chalk bag. Envelope. And book.
Okay, tama ba lahat? 5 objects. Okay. So, let us rate the group. Before that, we will give them a round clap and say group 2. Okay, everybody ganyan. Then, congratulations na lang. Round clap, then congratulations. Okay, everybody, 1, 2, ready, go!
Congratulations!
Okay, so, let us rate the group 2. Members consistently and actively work towards group goals without being called. Clap and tulong. Lahat? Okay. Participation tayo. Members willingly accept and perform roles within the group.